Going over the trades on the day for the 250K portfolio, we are trading the signal strength trader from the portfolio money management algorithms. It is just at this worst case drawdown, just broke it. It was above it before we went in, and it broke that trend line. It was down minus 15, about minus 15.50 on the day. We're down minus 31.25 on the month, which is about minus 1.25% on the 250K portfolio. And we've had 4 losing trades in a row. Continue to experience some of the hardest price action. Market gap down, fast, violent V reversal. Really just kind of had a parabolic move up here to generate an exhaustion move and finally get us long, and then reversed into the close. And so, this price to this price, coming back towards the previous day's close on Friday, and a lot of V reversals are these wide-ranging V reversals, multiple V reversals are difficult to trade. This one was really fast, and this was really slow. The gap down continuation weak. Market internals generated some short trades early on in some of the strategies, but there was no follow through. The market was stealth in its move to here instead of fast, and so it generated the move late, and then it was an exhaustion move that reversed. And so these moves continue to be challenging. We started the month with 3 winners in a row, and now we had 4 losers in a row on the signal strength trader, and so 7 trades overall. And we're looking for, I'm going to update the portfolio calculator after tonight, but we are looking for a bounce here as we come into this worst case drawdown. Oftentimes you'll see it hit that worst case drawdown or bounce around that worst case drawdown. And so we'll see. One positive trade would be plus 2,400, and so we're down 31.25 on the month. 2 winning trades would have us up on the month, but we're also looking at the S&P portfolio 21, which is at a good this is at a good drawdown entry point. Here is the S&P portfolio 21 that we've been looking at, and if you go back and take a look, it's had a 15K worst case drawdown on this in 2023, and after today it was down about 5K, so it's down at this worst case drawdown level of 2023. And the price action that's not typical, the price action that we're seeing, the last few months is just not typical of what we've seen over the last few years. And so it's we're going through this drawdown, and we'll see if we get some resolution, see if we get a bounce here. We like to start on drawdown, so this is a drawdown alert right here for the S&P portfolio 21 to start trading that. If you're waiting to trade that, it's at about a 15K drawdown. I'll have the final results later on this evening, and I will send out an email if this is at 15K or greater, but this is kind of a preliminary, almost there drawdown alert. I'm showing that today's loss was 4,800, and so it's right there at that level, but not quite at 15K. So, and the reason I'm waiting for a bigger than normal drawdown is because of the market environment we're in. 15K is the worst in 2023, but this choppy market environment is really extreme. The way the market moves, it almost seems like it's intentionally trying to change patterns in the market and go after specific algorithms. And if you trade intra-day, you know what I'm talking about. If you look at it at the end of the day, you can't really see that, but if you watch it intra-day, it's it feels pretty vindictive in the way the market's trading and all the reversals. This is also another portfolio that I'm looking at. It is Beta 48. It includes some SR counter trend strategies, and including gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas. And so I want to update the portfolio. This is through Friday. I like to update it for the current trading day. It takes some time after the market closes, and I want to update it after the 5 o'clock Eastern time close, and then get all the data in there. And then I will send out a drawdown alert. If we get that for the stock index portfolio or the S&P portfolio 21, I'll send out a drawdown alert to start that. And so, and if we get that, we may trade, instead of the signal strength trader, we may trade the S&P portfolio 21 or a variation of this beta 48, which is really 46 strategies right now. So that is the update for today for the trades on the day. For Monday, October the 23rd, managing risk in a difficult market environment is what we're doing right now. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.